According to statement of numerical number 10.5, 100 waves pass through a point in 20 seconds. Find the frequency and time period of the waves. If wavelength is 6 cm, find also wave speed. Here we given that 100 waves pass in 20 seconds. This is given. Number 2. Wavelength. Lambda, this is 6 cm, this is given. If we convert centimeter into meter, we will divide it by 100 and answer will be 0.06 meter. We have to find three things. Number 1, frequency, F, time period, T, and wave speed, V is equal to question mark. According to definition of frequency, frequency is defined as number of vibrations completed in 1 second. So here we given that 100 waves pass through a point in 20 seconds. Hence, frequency will be F is equal to 100 divided by 20, which is equal to 5 Hertz, as unit of frequency is Hertz. This is first answer. What is the relation between time period and frequency? That is T is equal to 1 over F. Inverse relation, which is equal to 1 over 5, which is equal to 0.2 seconds. This is second answer. Now according to wave equation, V is equal to F lambda by putting values of frequency and wavelength. Frequency is 5 Hertz and wavelength that is given 0.06. By multiplication we will get 0.3 as it is velocity, so its unit will be meter per second. This is required answer. In numerical number 10.6, according to statement, a wooden ball vibrating into water surface in a ripple tank has frequency 12 Hz. Wavelength of the wave is 3 cm. We have to find the speed of the waves. Here given frequency F is equal to 12 Hz. Wavelength lambda is equal to 3 cm. By converting into meters, 3 over 100, which is equal to 0.03 meter. What we have to find, that is only speed of the waves. This we have to find. According to wave equation, V is equal to F lambda. By putting values, frequency is 12 and wavelength is 0.03. multiplying both we will get speed v is equal to 0.3 meter per second. This is the required result.